Hello friends, and welcome to Gold Bar Rim and Golden Spike in Moab. Should be a fun one. A couple good obstacles that we have to deal with. I believe one is referred to as Waterfall, and then of course you have the Big Crack. Hopefully my batteries hold up, and hopefully I have time to change to new batteries along the way. If the video abruptly stops, now you know. No more batteries. Got a group here together. There's about 35 machines. So it's a crowded one today. For those following along, I now have the 32-inch STI X-Comps and aired down to 8 psi for this trail. It's considered a low-speed trail, so I'm not too worried about pinch flats as I am with other trails, and in particular other tires. That would be the terabytes. These tires have a stiff sidewall for sure. At 8 psi you can't even tell. You definitely feel a weight difference with these tires versus the terabytes. Not only as you take the hits, but also when steering. So, something to keep in mind there. There's pros and cons to everything, no matter what it is. My week in Moab has opened my eyes to a few things. One, custom cages. Pretty much everyone's rocking a custom cage. And some of them will look really cool. Of course, the downside is you don't have access to like normal windshields or half windshields or roofs. So you do a custom cage, of course you need a custom windshield and a custom roof and all that stuff. The other one is these STI X-Comps, as I said in a previous video. They didn't seem very popular either on the forums or YouTube or anywhere. Didn't really see too many reviews of them. Didn't see too many people that were actually using them. But here, extremely popular tire. Whereas at the Colorado Side-by-Side Expo, the Tusk Terabyte was extremely popular. And it really is a good tire. I really did give it a bad rap from the get-go. And getting that pinch flat in Nevada kind of soured me on them. But they ended up holding up extremely well. Got nearly 2,400 miles out of them. For an off-road tire, that's really good. So we have to go back up the waterfall on the way back. Wow. That was fun. So this will conclude our day at Gold Bar Rim. And thank you for coming along on this journey. If you like what I do, please subscribe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And I'll catch you guys next time. Peace!